In my songs folder where I stored all my MP3s, I have a text file called total tracks. It contains a number of total tracks. It says total tracks equals sign 5. Works the same way that we were doing our slides. Just in case your client wants to add more tracks, they can do that. They just have to name them properly and change the number in the text file. Going back to Flash, we're going to use load vars to load that variable. So after our variable declarations, right after the current track declaration, I'm going to press enter and I'm going to type var space my capital L capital V colon load vars space equals space new load vars open and close parenthesis semicolon. I'm going to press enter a few times and type my capital L capital V dot load open parenthesis open quote songs slash total tracks capital T for tracks dot txt close quote close parenthesis semicolon. So we just created a new instance of the load vars class called mylv, and this line we're telling mylv to load this variable. And now we're going to reference it in our play sound function. So scroll on down there. This thing's starting to get pretty hairy, isn't it? It's intense. Alright, right after music equals new sound, press enter. Type music dot on sound complete, capital S for sound and a capital C for complete, space equals space function open and close parenthesis colon void with capital V enter open bracket enter again close bracket up arrow enter. On sound complete is an event handler that runs when the sound is finished playing. Now we're going to create a conditional statement that says once the sound's finished playing, then go to the next song. And if it's on the last song and it's finishes playing, then go to the first song. Just like what we did with the slides. I'm going to type if open parenthesis current track capital T, where that's the variable name we created up here. Current track space equals equals. Remember, two equal signs means is equal to and only equal to. Type a space open parenthesis and type my capital L capital V dot total tracks with a capital T for tracks space minus space 1 close parenthesis and type another close parenthesis. So this is within parentheses, and then this parenthesis ends the if or the condition. Remember, while we're adding minus 1, it's because total tracks is equal to 5, but remember the track started at 0, so it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we want to say if this is equal to 4, and that's the way to get it. Press enter, open bracket, enter again, close bracket, up arrow, enter. And so if it is on the last track, they want to go back to the first track. So we're going to type current track, track with a capital T, space equals space 0 semicolon. So if it's at the last track, when the sound finishes, go to the first track. Go after the close bracket, press enter again, and type else. Press enter. Open bracket, enter again, close bracket, up arrow, enter. So what happens if the sound finishes and it's not on the last track? Then it's just going to go to the next one. So type current track, capital T, space, plus plus, semicolon. Remember, plus plus just means plus 1. Then there's one more thing that we want to put after that. After the else statement, press enter, and type play sound. Open and close parenthesis, semicolon. If we don't run the play sound function again, then the current track variable will change, but the next song won't play. So this changes the variable when the song is done, and then plays it again with a new value of current track.